Let's make this slow braised, seasoned right short ribs soaked up in red label goodness. Let's make it. For today's meat, I'm going to use beef chuck short ribs. It's already washed and clean. Gonna add some jerk seasoning. Garlic powder. Scotch bonnet powder. Now you gotta rub the seasoning. And people always ask, the season not burning? No, it not burning. Now you're gonna allow this to marinate, okay, for about 1 to 2 hours or overnight. Add some oil to the pot. Now we're gonna sear the ribs on both sides until brown for about 2 to 4 minutes. To this, I'm gonna add fresh tomatoes. If you don't have fresh tomatoes, you can use tomato paste, garlic, onion, Now you're gonna turn on the grill with some red label wine, or you could use any wine you like, any red wine, okay? And I'm using 1 cup. Now we're gonna add about 2 cups of beef broth. If you don't have beef broth, go ahead and use some water. Now add back the ribs to the pot. Let it come to a boil. I'm gonna add thyme, pimento berries, green bell peppers, scallion, Scotch bonnet pepper, taste. So after you taste it, adjust it to taste, okay? This tastes so good to me, so I'm not gonna add anything. Reduce heat and allow to cook for about 2 to 3 hours, or until they're falling off the bone. I'll see you back in the next 2 to 3 hours. Add butter, some garlic, heavy cream, taste and adjust, okay? After 3 hours, you want to try and skim out some of the fat. Look at this falling off the bone. Nice and juicy. Look at that. Falling off the bone. So thick. So tender. Look at that, honey. And the flavor is A1. So it's all done. Now we're going to go ahead and plate this up. You can check the recipe out on my blog. I'm going to leave the link down in the comment section, or you can click the link in the bio, okay? Just want to show you guys how tender this is. See that? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.